eating poop.
Alright, there it goes.
Back up.
Stop, I'm freaking recording. God.
Look, you lost your sandal, loser.
You're a loser.
Yeah, I got a light. I just need to light it. Alright, now we're cooking. This is a fireplace, Shirley. What better place to do it?
There he goes.
Stay in the fire. Look up in the sky. I like the flashers.
I like to watch it. I like to watch it.
Light one more.
Oh, wait. Do this. Like, look, here.
Put that one there, put that one there. Alright, put it on the way.
We're boys now, I see.
Put them together. That'd be cool, like, put them together.
Oh, we got a problem, boys. Our flame's dead.
That's not.
Scott, Jacob, I just fell.
Can't get the other one lit.
There it goes. Wait, it should be going. It should just like light the other one then.
That'll blow up that thing. We can't get two at a time.
Wait, now here, put the other one in. Wait, isn't there another one?
That's the last one, guys. We're out of flame.
Here, let me try. I'm good with lighters. Here, let me try.
You gotta hold it closer. Hold it
Marty,
closer.
it's dead.
Keep clicking, keep clicking. Number 2. Oh, amateurs. Guys, you gotta rub 2 rocks together.
No, Marty.
You got this?
No, you don't.
Then you rub 2 rocks together then, Mr. Smarty.
I got something,
Done.
it's burning.
Done. Leave it there for another night.
Dad, you gotta pick up this one.
Pick up the ones that are on here. Pick up all this. Okay.
Yeah, do we light all the flashers? Do we use all the flashers?
Yeah, I think so.